Hello, welcome back to another FC Mobile video. This is Shubhoting 18, your FC Mobile creator. Today we will play a division rivals match. Let's see what happens. The opponent is King FC. His midfield and attack is very good. Let's see what happens. My attack has grown up 115 to 116 thanks to Maradona, a great player. My team is very good. I only changed a player, Calhanoglu, to Sahal Abdul Samad. Because I am an Indian, so I thought there must be one Indian player in my FC Mobile team. Maradona getting into the attack. Kaká gets deflected by Marquez. To Ginola, deflected by Barzagli. Zidane, Barzagli to Maradona. Maradona to Kaká. Kaká running. Kaká. He is boarding Hincapié. Kaká tried to pass the ball and Hincapié intercepts. Hincapié to Zidane to my player Valverde, and it's an opportunity and Maradona scores. Nice build up and only one error from the opponent and we score. 18 minutes into the game and we are 1-0 up. It's a free kick for the opponent. Zambrotta to Cruz. Cruz to Abdul Samad. Shevchenko with the rainbow. Shevchenko free. Shevchenko going. How can you miss it? No worries. They are on the attack. Ginola to Iniesta, long pass to Zambrotta heading it to Pirlo. Son intercepts. Son to Shevchenko gives the roulette, another roulette, but gets bodied by Marquez to Iniesta to Ginola to Shevchenko. Zambrotta gives it to Ginola. Kaká intercepts. Shevchenko. Maradona with the ball. Kaká. A nice through ball and Shevchenko. It's an easy goal for Shevchenko. Nice build up. Great pass from Kaká. We are 2-0 up in the first half. Shevchenko to Zidane to Ginola to Zidane to Shevchenko. They are on the run, but Vidic tackles it and it's half time. 2-0 up. Let's see what happens in the next half. Shevchenko gives pass to Ginola to Cruz to Bale. He substituted well. Nice. Son to Abdul Samad with a nice pass. Son running. Gives the pass to Shevchenko. Shevchenko takes the shot, but there was no room for the shot. Iniesta gives pass to Shevchenko to Iniesta to Bale, and gets tackled by Rice. Rice plays it safe to Van der Sar to Barzagli makes a mistake and we have to pay. I have to stop making the silly mistakes. Barzagli, I could clear it off. No worries, we are 2-0 up. Let's start again. Shevchenko to Maradona to Abdul to Son to Shevchenko to Son again. Son to Declan Rice to Abdul Samad to Maradona shoots it. What a save from the goalkeeper. It's a corner. Zambrotta takes the corner, gets deflected by Hincapié to Shevchenko passes to nowhere. Abdul Samad to Son with the deflection and Shevchenko misses the ball. It's a chance. Son to Maradona takes a long shot and it's a goal. second goal for Maradona in this match. What a player and what a shot. Another silly mistake from the opponent and we capture it. Sahal Abdul Samad to Son to Maradona. And it's an easy goal for Maradona. Shevchenko to Iniesta. Iniesta to Zidane. Zidane to Shevchenko. Shevchenko to Ginola. Ginola to Shevchenko. Shevchenko does the roulette. Well, it's of no use. Passes it to the outside. Valverde taking the throw in. Valverde throws it into the opponent. Iniesta gives a loop ball, but nothing happens. Goal kick for us. Van der Sar passes to Zambrotta. Zambrotta to Valverde. Valverde to Vidic. Vidic to Sahal Abdul Samad. To Heung-min Son. Heung-min Son, and they have a confusion, but Heung-min Son is with the ball. Heung-min Son. Gareth Bale tackles him and the match ends. And we again won a match with 3-1. I think this is my lucky scorecard. So if you like my content, please subscribe, like and comment and share. Till then, bye.